crisp mornings, the scent of dew-kissed grass, the steady thump of a ball against a bat. This is the world of cricket, a game of precision, strategy, and team spirit. Picture this: an open field, a group of girls, their faces alight with determination. The bowler takes her run-up, there's anticipation in the air, and then the ball is hurled with a swift, forceful throw. The batter swings, a clean hit, sending the ball soaring into the distance. The crowd erupts. It's a boundary, cricket, once a gentleman's game, now embraced by all. It's not about gender, it's about passion and skill. So step onto the field, feel the thrill of the game, and remember, every day is a good day for cricket. In this game,